Dear friends, we are going through the second wave of COVID 19, which is quite severe when compared to the first wave. We have lost some of our middle aged and old aged friends to the severity of the second wave. The third wave is expected to strike back after 8 to 10 months, which is going to have a severe impact on children. Lockdowns are a stopgap arrangement for the central and the state governments to arrange the resources needed to tackle the pandemic. So, before the third wave, it is important for us to go for 100% vaccination, which is the only solution which we find in the near future. When it comes to vaccinations, there are two issues. One is the production and procurement of the vaccines, the second one is the proper distribution to different states. Hence, a proper center-state relationship is very much needed at this point of time in pandemic, so that the federal structure is intact. Alerts were being given to the central government almost a year back by the opposition parties and the scientific community. But unfortunately, both the central government and the Prime Minister were quite insensitive. And the Prime Minister even went to the extent of declaring a great victory over COVID-19 in the month of January 2021, which was a major act of misguiding the people at large. I feel that a scientific approach is completely missing at the central government end. It is to be noted that in 1946, Nehru clearly mentioned about scientific temper and clearly spoke about its importance in the governance. In 1970s, because of various initiatives of both Nehru and Indira Gandhi, we became one of the biggest drug and vaccine producers of the world. But now I feel that the central government has got a half-hearted approach to basically discourage the allopathic treatment. It is to be noted that we need 2 billion doses to basically vaccinate the target population before the third wave. And as I mentioned, the third wave is going to be severe on the children and the kids. And hence, the parents have to be vaccinated much before than that. So I urge each and every citizen to speak up, to fight against the central government, to fight with this central government, to postpone their Central Vista project and focus on free mass universal vaccination so that we are all safe and secure. So we have to fight for vaccines and not for the Vista. Thank you very much.